Remembering information is a daily task that, however, often fails when it is most needed. Lists, names, or concepts learned recently can disappear easily, even after trying to memorize them carefully. Therefore, for decades, multiple techniques have been developed to improve memory, some simple and others more elaborate. If you are interested in improving your memory, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give like to this video. Here we will explore how stories can be a powerful tool to remember information effectively. In the context of cognitive psychology, various strategies to improve memory have been identified. A recent study published in Evolutionary Psychology analyzes how to build stories from the information you want to remember can be an effective strategy. To test these strategies, researchers designed several experiments in which participants had to work with unrelated word lists. This type of material allows to accurately measure the effect of different forms of processing on memory. In each experiment, participants processed those words in 3 different ways, assessing whether they were pleasant or unpleasant, thinking of their usefulness in a survival situation, or integrating them into a story. Then, they should remember as many words as possible. The results were consistent throughout the experiments. In the first, those who created stories remembered more words than those who used other strategies. This suggests that building narratives helps improve information retention. In later experiments, the performance of narrative processing was equal to that of survival processing, which is considered one of the most effective techniques. This indicates that stories generate a level of memory comparable to highly effective methods. The most likely explanation for this phenomenon has to do with the organization of information. By building a story, each word is integrated into a coherent structure, thus facilitating the memory of other associated words. The study also suggests that this advantage is not casual. As for much of human history, knowledge was transmitted through narratives. Stories can be a natural tool to improve memory. These results have clear applications in education and everyday life. Integrating content in the form of stories could facilitate long-term learning and retention. The work also leaves open questions about how this strategy can be applied in more real contexts, and whether the effect is maintained with complex materials. This invites further research on memory and storytelling. In conclusion, giving narrative form to scattered data can be one of the most effective ways to fix it in our memory. Research points to an ancient, accessible, and deeply human tool.